back of the ship. This is the wake that's being left behind. As we go, we're looking out into the Gulf of Mexico. Pan around. It's just so pretty to just be out here and see all of this water. It's a pretty color as well. Again, I'm at the very, very back of the ship. Back by the engines. They have a climbing wall. A lot of kids and young people are doing that as well. I really love how beautiful and blue the water is. It's probably the bluest, some of the bluest water I've ever seen. Alright, we're getting ready to dock at the port of Cozumel on the southern, I believe southern part of the island. The ship's kind of turning around because I think we'll go in back end first. Here we are outside on the deck, looking at the port of Cozumel. Alright, we landed in Cozumel, or I should say docked in Cozumel. We went through security and then got on this ferry, I guess is what you would call it. Some people call it the Vomit Comet because it's kind of rough. You gotta try to have good, solid iron stomach. Sorry, the picture is not very clear. Let me go back just a little bit. We're on the Caribbean, going between Cozumel Island and the main coast of Mexico. Okay, we got up early. It's Sunday, December the 3rd, 2017. We got up early to watch the sunrise, but before the sun comes up, we noticed the gorgeous full moon that is shining. So this is looking over into the Gulf of Mexico, looking at that pretty full moon. Alright, the sun is starting to come up over the Gulf of Mexico. It's very, very pretty. The waters are fairly calm. Alright, we found a spot at the back of the boat to watch the sunrise. There's the wake, the boat's leaving. The sun should be peeking up over there in less than 10 minutes. We'll see. It's just about to poke through up there. We'll see how it goes. It's just about to happen, where the noise you can hear in the background is them spraying off and cleaning the deck. We're hoping it comes up before we get sprayed. Alright, there he is. The sun just popped up. It just peeked up above the water. That was pretty cool when that happened. Pretty darn cool. Very beautiful. What a great start to the day. Sunday, December 3rd, 2017. The other night we attended the lighting of the Christmas tree. The captain stood right in that area and some of the helpers, and they pushed a button to start the lights. It's quite nice. All right, it's now Sunday afternoon, December the 3rd of 2017. We're right out in the exact middle of the Gulf of Mexico, heading back towards Galveston. The sea is very, very calm right now. This is just a pleasure to go on this, where it's so smooth and nice, not bumpy at all. I kind of like this scene with the sun behind the clouds. It just kind of looks nice out here. To end a 4-night cruise, we're having a parade of nations. There's over 60 different nationalities represented by the 800 plus crew members. Pretty cool stuff. So far the biggest number have been 93 from India. They said there were 587 total from 58 nations. That's the updated number. 98 from Indonesia is now the highest number. 201 crew members from the Philippines, the largest group represented.
Coming to you direct from the United States of America!
Woo! 18 from the United States. I'm free, and I won't forget the men who left, the things that brought to me, and he said, next to you and defend her still today, 'cause there ain't no one that loves this man. Here we are, it's the early morning of Monday, December the 4th. Our ship, the Vision of the Seas, is just pulling into port at Galveston, Texas. What an amazingly fantastic, fun trip we had. I look forward to going on another one sometime.